Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new Slender PSP update video, and surprisingly we have an update today on the overall game. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So today I woke up and I saw that basically there was a pull request made to the Slender PSP repository containing a bunch of changes that were made. All of these different sort of changes added different sort of features, fixed things, and pretty much just overall enhances the quality of the game. These changes were made by Janos Harsanyi. I hope I'm saying that right. But basically, they've been working a little bit on the project and just doing a few little things here and there to really help us out with the overall polish of the game. Given that these changes basically make it a little bit better, I decided to basically create a re-release for version 1.1, and currently, now you can play the game with a little bit better features. As you go throughout the game, you're going to be basically noticing a few little bug fixes here and there, adding a few music to basically the XMB menu. Alongside it also reuses some of the sounds to get around some of the bugs that exist in the final release. Furthermore, if you die or if you win the game, you're going to go back to the main menu instead of just exiting out of the game. This was really interesting because I wasn't expecting anyone to work on it, as I've basically said that Slender PSP is a dead-end project and I'm not really going to be touching it ever again. It's basically going just to be the Slender the 8 Pages remake, and that's all it's going to really try to do. I remember seeing some criticism that basically the Slender the 8 Pages release was not having a story or something like that, and to that I say the actual Slender game doesn't even have an actual story to it either. Neither does the Quake port nor any other of the PSP ports that were made of it. Like the actual Slender the 8 Pages, it was a one-off game with basically no story and nothing behind it. If we're talking about Slender the Arrival has a bit more things like that, and it's actually kind of useful. Also, this game was heavily limited by the engine, and that's kind of a reason that Stardust Engine was sort of born, was to realize that the state of game engines on the PSP is not really good, alongside the fact that basically this is still better than the actual Quake port, because even though the Quake port may have marginally better graphics, this port has a lot better AI and a lot better basically aesthetic feel to the game compared to the Quake port. So down in the description below, I've basically added some of the links and things like that to this new contributor, and I hope he or she does very well with this project in the future if they try to pick it up and do more things with it. I've heard that they have one branch with basically Shotgun Slender, which I think is a very fun and sort of creative idea, and I think that you guys should all go check them out. They're also in the PSP Homebrew Discord server with the basically Discord tag below. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later on with a Minecraft PSP full pre-release.